In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to color grade a Slog3 in DaVinci Resolve. Before we start color grading, we need to adjust some settings for our project, and to do that, click on the gear icon from the bottom right corner, then go to the color management section, and under it, ensure that your color science is selected as DaVinci Y RGB and set your timeline color space and output color space as reg.709 and then hit save. Now import your clip onto your timeline. Then select your clip and go to the color tab. Now open the nodes panel like this. Each clip starts with a default node, which is like a small layer for color corrections or effects. Now if you want to add different nodes, then for that right click on your current node, then go to the add node section, and from here you can add a serial node, serial before node, parallel node, layer node or outside node. I want to add a serial node, that's why I'm gonna select this one. Or you can use the shortcut key of Alt+S or Option+S on Mac, and then a new serial node will be added to keep your workflow organized. Now select your first node and open effects panel and search for an effect called color space transform and drag and drop this effect onto your first node. And in the settings, we need to choose Sony Ace Gamut 3.Cine for input color space, and for input gamma we need to select Slog3, and you can see the color of the footage has been completely changed. Now select the second node for corrections. Use the lift, gamma and gain wheels to adjust shadows, midtones and highlights. Focus on making the image look balanced and natural rather than matching the exact numbers. Next, add a third node for creative grading or LUTs. On this node, you can adjust colors, saturation and add stylized looks to achieve the mood you want. Finally, check your scopes to make sure nothing is over or underexposed. And that's it. Remember, color grading Slog3 is all about how it looks, so trust your eyes over any preset settings. So this is the process. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.